I have all the strategies on around here on our wall. Suchit with. Well, I know I called it. Yeah, I did base 10 blocks. Yes, David. What did I not do? Okay, let me just tell you because I'd rather not hear you guys guess. I didn't do strip diagram and I didn't do subtraction, but those are two different ways that Miss Barton's class showed me. So now it's time for you to put your knowledge to the test. You have a new piece of paper. I want you to do the same thing. I'm going to give you about 7 minutes. New problem is going to go in here. I want you to go ahead and split it up like you did. Try to do at least 3 different ways. If you want to do more, that's totally fine. My new problem is going to be 111, or as I like to say, 11D1. 11D1 plus 239. How can you show that answer in at least 3 different ways? And if you cannot remember, all your other ways are on the piece of paper you have with you, and all 8 ways: compensation, place value, strip diagram, subtraction, they're all on the walls. Okay? So start working. You do not have to do the same thing as your table partner does. Everyone can kind of do different things. If I were you, I'd start with the easiest. What's the easiest way to add these 2 numbers? And then, guys, don't talk to me. Show me on your paper. You can talk to your table if it's necessary. This is an addition problem, so no, multiplication would not work. How would you solve it? How would Miss Wright says, what's 111 plus 239? How do you solve it? How do you do it? You've got 8 different ways to solve this problem. What's the easiest way? Line it up. Probably most people are going to start with that. You just have to line it up. Just line it up to get to see what you can do. You're going to get base 10 blocks. Awesome. Guys, if you're working on your own paper, you only need to partner if you're stuck. So, how are you going to solve this? Now listen, you are your own partner, you are working on your paper. No one is responsible for your paper except for you. You have 8 strategies to solve this problem. 111 plus 239. What's the way to solve it? Without a calculator, without a calculator. You have to find the You have a whole paper of strategies. How would so easy? What do you think? How are you going to solve it? You need 3 numbers for subtraction. Do you have the 3rd number here? Now, I would use that to check your answer, but that's probably not a good first solution. How do you solve it? Have you ready for it? Base 10 blocks. Awesome. You add it to the standard algorithm and you use subtraction check your work. Works. Yes, sir. Where did this number come from? Oh, I know you mean this to your friend. That is a good one. How did you get that number? Where? Show me the other. Okay, line it up. I think you understand the algorithm. Just line it up and you understand the Yes. Question. Check to see if you can add another way to find the same answer. Okay, so you just line it up with the standard algorithm. So you're doing list 10 blocks. Cool. What's your answer? Square, 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 line, 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 line. What do you mean you don't know? Okay, what are these 3 squares? 300 and what are these 5 lanes? You got it, you know it. Okay, can you come up with one more way? Wait, how did you get this? This is 111, 239. What are all of these? How many hundreds do you have? And where are your 300s? Okay, you know, how much you look on the like ages here? How many tens do you have? No, look at here. How many tens do you have up there? How many tens do you have there? So you should have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 tens. You have about 3 minutes to try to come up with 3 ways. I'm going to start writing some answers on the board so you can check your work with my work. But keep working. Wait, keep working. I've got 3 up there. I want to see if someone did the no, that's okay. I want to see if someone did the third one. You did the number one?
I did 3 papers.
Hold on. 341 plus 9 is 340. 341 plus 9 more. Okay, last turn, please. Alright, I've seen 4 ways. If I can see a 5th way, I'll put it up on the board for you. Oh, I've seen the 5th way. Let me use that. Alright, we got 5. What am I missing? Think, Chip. I don't have the part whole. You hear my voice say, all right. Take a look at what we have up here. I only wanted 3. So if you got 3, you're good. If you are still confused about these things, guys, the video is on my YouTube channel. Now, the 7th one we didn't do right here is the associative property. But remember, the associative property is just like the number line. You just don't draw the number line. You break it the second number. Charlie, are you okay if we do compensation?
Yes.
I mean, you managed it so far. This is dangerous. Some of you are going to like compensation. Remember, the question with compensation is, which of these numbers is close to a number that's easy to add or subtract? Take a look at 111 and 239. Do one of those numbers seem like really close to the nearest 100? Taryn, what do you think? Which of those is closest to the nearest 100? What's that close to?
100.
And how far away from 100 is it?
11.
If only I can get rid of those 11. Look what happens if I get rid of this 11. Then I have 100. And oh my goodness, guys, adding 100 is probably the easiest addition problem ever because you just change the hundreds place. But I cannot just get rid of my 11. I must put the 11 somewhere else to keep it even. So I'm going to take this 11 and take it away from here, and I'm going to add it to over here. And now I have 100 plus 250, and guess what I come up with? 350. Did you make it? Charlie, good. You're stronger than I thought you were, Charlie. Thank you. All right, last thing. Pencils down. I'm not gonna erase this. You can finish copying this in a second. We're gonna do one last strategy. It's called vote with your feet.
What?
If you will listen rather than saying the word what, I will actually explain what that means. I have 8 different strategies up here. These are the 8 we've done. Let's pretend your teacher comes back and you want to teach her how to do an addition problem. Let's say you want to teach her how to do 111 plus 239. And you have one strategy to show her. In a second, I'm going to have you stand underneath the paper that you think is the best way to teach her so she understands. Not the easiest way to do it. Not the quickest way to do it. What is going to be the best way to teach her how to do an addition problem so when she's done with that addition problem, she can say, oh, I get it now. Now, I'm asking you which way is the best way so she understands addition. There is no right answer. There is no wrong answer. In just a second, I'm going to have you stand underneath that paper, but then you're going to be silent. So, stand up. Put your chair in. Stand underneath the paper. You think is the best way to show her. And just stand silently. It does not matter if you're with a big group, or it doesn't matter if you are by yourself. Because there's something else we got to do. Alright, remember, you are trying to show that teacher how 111 plus 239 makes 350, so she says, oh, I get it now. This is what I want you to do. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. You're going to talk to the people in your group. You're going to decide on why you think your solution is the best way to show her, and then I'll let one person share with the whole group. So go ahead, talk to the group. Why is your way the best? You can talk to me. Why do you think compensation is the best way to teach her? You just guess. Okay, you know what I'll do? I will come to you last, because after every single time that someone says something, I will allow people to change. And if you like somebody else's idea better, I'll let you change the group, okay? Alright.
I am beginning to face this.
Alright, we're going to share this minute. You guys can't do it. Alright, let's come back together. Let me get you guys to stand back over here. I'm needing us to be silent.
Thank you.
What you're trying to do now is you're going to give, if it's longer than 30 seconds, I'm going to have to stop you because we're almost out of time. Why is your way the best way to teach so that the teacher understands how to do it? After every single time, I'll allow people to change. If somebody can convince you that their group is better, that is perfectly fine. So we'll start over here, and we're just going to move this way. Suit tips. And you were going to share, why is chip diagram the best? Everyone listen, be a good listener, please.
Because one part forward and one afterwards one.
Okay.
So you can just add it up and you have that times go.
Okay. And why is part hold the best way to show that?
You can do it's easy to draw it.
Ah. So he likes part whole because you can draw it so you see the answer not just with numbers but with a picture. Does anyone want to change because they like that? That's fine. Subtraction. Go ahead. One of you. Come on, Ray. Does any of you want to share why you like subtraction? I will come back to you if you want to share later. You can. Who's going to share? Okay, Evelyn. I'll let you add it. Let's be good listeners, please. Shh. Evelyn, nice and loud. Don't talk to me, talk to them.
So to me the base 10 blocks are easier because you can write them out when you do it, and to me they're easier to trade because you can just write it out and take away and draw it all out. And it's easier to see and stuff.
Okay, so if you did base 10 blocks, would you draw it out or would you use the actual base 10 blocks?
You could do it either way, but it would probably be easier to figure it out.
Okay.
Trade.
All right, so did you guys hear that Evelyn said like 2 or 3 times, trade? She likes the base 10 blocks because you can trade. So like if you have 9 ones and 1 1, you can trade that up for a 10, right? Does anyone think they might want to change? All right, Landon.
Yeah.
Why? Hold on. You guys come over here. I want to tell you one at a time. Landon, why did you change? Cool. Guys, stand still. Okay, so the trading thing works. David, why did you change? Him, same reason. Why did you change? I keep saying trade. Your trade is such a good explanation. Why did you change? Same idea? Okay, we're not done yet. We have number lines. But the idea of training was good. Okay, Charlie.
Yay!
She didn't blow her mind. I have to allow her to do this. All right. Let's be a good listener. Can I get my base 10 blocks groups to be... Charlie, why? Why do you like number lines?
Because you can go to the nearest 100 and you can add 100 to that, and then you can go to the 10, then you can add 10 to that, and then you can go to the ones, and then you can add...
Okay, so you like the fact that the number line can break it up into the tens, the hundreds, and the tens, and the ones. And you can see the answer. Does anyone want to change over to number line? Okay, you guys know what the correct answer is? There is no correct answer. Everyone has their own idea, but I'm glad you guys did this. This is called vote for your feet. So come on, sit back at your desks, please. Very good. All right, this is the end of what we're doing today. You guys will be working on this some more, so thank you very much. These papers, what do you want them to do with it?
Green folder left at home. Actually, yeah. Let's put it in our math pocket, so if we need to go back to it, we can.
Thank you very much, Ms. Wright. Thank you very much, Ms. Wright's class.